all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. A few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day.
So the better one to get is one that has this cord on it. And it also has more connections. It has 2 HDMI connections. It is a Hawk Day brand. I don't know. It was only like $20, but it's way better product.